Welcome back to In the Moon, where we explore the beauty of space, the mysteries of our universe, and the fascinating science behind the world we live in. Today, we're looking at something simple, but surprisingly magical. The sun is still there. It still shines over Earth every single day. And yet, winter still comes. The air turns colder, the days become shorter, and the same world that once felt warm and bright begins to feel quiet, frozen, and still. So how does Earth get winter while the sun still shines? At first, it may seem confusing. Many people imagine that winter happens because Earth moves farther away from the sun. It sounds reasonable. If we are farther away, we should get less heat. If we are closer, we should get more. But that is not the true reason winter happens. In reality, the answer is much more fascinating. Earth does not travel around the sun standing perfectly straight. Our planet is tilted. Its axis leans by about 23.5 degrees, and that small tilt changes everything. As Earth moves around the sun during the year, different parts of the planet tilt toward or away from sunlight. This changes the way solar energy reaches the surface. When your part of Earth is tilted toward the sun, sunlight hits the ground more directly. Its energy is more concentrated. The days are also longer, which gives the ground and the air more time to warm up. That is what creates summer. But when your part of Earth is tilted away from the sun, the opposite begins to happen. The sunlight arrives at a lower angle. Instead of being focused on a smaller area, it spreads across a wider surface. That makes the energy less intense. At the same time, the days become shorter. There are fewer hours of sunlight, which means the land, oceans, and atmosphere have less time to absorb warmth. And that is how winter begins. The sun is still shining. It has not disappeared. It has not suddenly become weak. What changes is the angle of its light and the amount of time that light reaches us. A simple way to picture this is with a flashlight. If you shine a flashlight straight down onto a table, the light looks bright and concentrated. But if you tilt the flashlight, the same light spreads out and becomes weaker. That is very similar to what happens during winter on Earth. The sun is still sending light, but in winter that light reaches your part of the planet more gently, more indirectly, and for fewer hours each day. This is also why winter does not happen everywhere on Earth at the same time. When the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, it experiences winter. But at that exact same time, the southern hemisphere is tilted more toward the sun, so it experiences summer. So while some parts of the world are covered in snow, other parts are enjoying sunshine and warmth. And here is something even more surprising. Earth is actually a little closer to the sun during part of the northern hemisphere's winter than during part of its summer. So distance is not the real reason for the seasons. The true reason is Earth's tilt. That quiet angle in space shapes the rhythm of our world. It changes the length of our days, the strength of sunlight, and the feeling of each season. So the next time winter arrives, remember this. Winter is not the absence of the sun. It is a season created by the way sunlight reaches Earth differently. The sun still shines, but in winter its light arrives softer, lower, and for less time. And from that simple change, an entire season is born. Thank you for watching In the Moon. If you enjoyed exploring the wonders of our universe with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating journeys through space, Earth, and beyond. See you in the next video.